Welcome. This is the very first episode, and I'm extremely excited about filming this one because this topic that I'm going to be talking about is just like literally fresh out of the oven. Okay, I was having this conversation with my father in the morning, and I was telling him about something. And while I was talking to him, I realized that RW, this is it. This is going to be the topic for your first very episode, and here I am. So let me tell you the story about the conversation that I was having. So, my father and I were generally discussing very, very rare moments where I discuss such elaborate professional events with my dad. But anywho, I was discussing something about, my professional life, and I was telling him, this is happening and that is happening. And suddenly he stopped me in the middle and he's like, "Beta, तुम कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं कर रही ना जिससे कि तुम्हारी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अफेक्ट होगी और तुम्हारा ग्रोथ स्टन हो जाएगा?" And I'm like, "Relax, Dad. I know what I'm doing." He's like, "No, you don't. You don't know that the world outside is so harsh."
Wow!
I'm 38 years old, guys, and my dad still thinks that I don't know that the world outside is so harsh. The point is that while I was talking to him, I realized that this is not happening for the first time. ये पहली बार ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे मॉम या मेरे डैड मुझे कुछ भी off the tangent, off the normal करने से रोक रहे थे. They've always been extremely protective of what I do and always tried to safeguard my interests. ऐसा मत करो, उसको बुरा लग जाएगा, ये मत करो, वहाँ मत करो, ऐसे ना करो. We've heard all of that. If you are also in that age and in that phase of your life where you think that your parents are not understanding you, don't blame them. Because your parents' fear of you taking risk is actually stemming from a reflection of their own fears. They just want the best for you. And all throughout your life, the only thing that your parents have wished for you is your happiness and your safety. So जब कभी भी उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारा बच्चा कुछ रिस्क ले रहा है जो कि उनको किसी सिचुएशन में डाल सकता है, they will always panic. And that is where the gap between what we think we want to do and what our parents actually want us to do comes in between. Make your parents understand that if you do not take that calculated risk, there is no growth. There is just stagnation. And stagnation is no fun. Okay? Don't let your parents come and bite me in the ass. But don't rebel. Understand their point of view also. They've always been brought up in that scenario and they've always wanted the best for you being parents now on the other side of the fence. So when they were younger, उनको भी यही experiences थे अपने parents के साथ, but maybe they never took that risk, or maybe they did and they failed and they felt कि अगर हमारे बच्चे ऐसा करेंगे तो शायद वो भी फेल हो जाएंगे. But that's not necessary always, right? So there can be a disparity between what you think and between what your parents want you to do. But don't fight it. Fight it in a way where they are also happy and you also feel कि हाँ ये ज़रूरी है. So make them understand that this is extremely important for you to do. And after a certain point where they will see that you've become more confident with your risks and you are growing and embracing even your failures and learning from them, they will be proud of you. So to summarize, what I'm trying to say is that there is always going to be a gap between what you think you want to do and what your parents want you to do. Especially that gap is going to go broader and broader as you grow older and start having your own vision about how you want your life to be. However, don't leave their opinions behind and don't berate or neglect their opinions. Listen to them, but also make them understand that it's extremely important for you to take that risk in order to be able to experience life the way it should be experienced. So let's make a pact. Let's make a pact to take that calculated risk, embrace the unknown, and fill yourself with the fun and the enthusiasm that life wants you to feel. Also love your parents, okay? So if you feel resonated with this very topic, then do listen to episode 2. In episode 2, I'm going to be talking about that one risk that I took 4 years back and that has changed my life. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, do all that you have to do, and I will see you soon. Mwah! I love you.